Hey guys, so I will show you how to fix this keyboard problem on Windows 11 operating system. So this solution is also applicable for Windows 10. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step, you have to just right click on the start icon and then go to the device manager. Once we are here, we need to expand the keyboard and we will just upgrade the drivers for the particular device. So you have to just click on this icon and here you will get the particular device. So you have to right click on it, select properties. Once we are here, you will get the multiple options here like general, drivers, details, events and resources. From the keyboard properties, you have to select drivers tab and make sure you are connected with your internet connection and then click on the update drivers. Now here you will get the two options. First one, search automatically for drivers, and second one is the browse my computer for drivers. So we will select the first one, and the best drivers will be installed automatically, and you have to close all windows one by one and simply restart the system. Else you can just open control panel. You can also use on-screen keyboard. You have to just right click on settings, just open settings, then go to accessibility, scroll down, click on keyboards and enable this option. So once you are here, you have to go to the search bar and type your control panel and select the view by as small icons and click on the keyboards, and make sure you have to select the repeat delay up to the next to the lowest here, and repeat rate keep it fast, highest one, and click on apply and then OK, and then restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. Check out the pin command, that will also help you to fix this issue quickly, and you're good to go.